Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Snow Queen Sista Chic Lacquer come and trim my Christmas tree and Beauty Big Bang 11. Today I'm using the Cocoa and Claire Peel Off Base Coat. This is one you have to cure under a LED UV lamp. Something new I'm trying. And I do like to get as much of the product off of it as I can, off that brush, so that I don't flood my cuticles and get that junk just all over the place. I am going in with a really thin coat, and I'm sorry it's blurry. I didn't realize that it was doing this, so I am just going to talk you through it, and I promise that the footage will get better here in just a moment. I am going to cap my free edge. Now they say that this can be used for 10 days worth of wear or more, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see. Now I will be honest, this manicure didn't stay on for no 10 days, but that's just because of me, not because of the product. Hi Woody, how you doing? So I did cure that for 45 seconds, and now I'm going in with Snow Queen from Color Club. This is a really old Color Club. It's so dark purple that it almost looks black. And I don't know if the streakiness is because of the polish or because of the base coat. I didn't know if I should like clean off the inhibition layer on the base coat after I cured it. So we're just rolling with it, y'all. I will learn more about it as I get to playing with it. I'm going to cap that free edge real quick, all goopy like. I'm just going to show you sometimes you can make it work. There we go. Lay down. Behave yourself, nail polish. I'm going to go over that tip a little bit more because I don't like the way it looked. So there we go. So that's our first coat. And now I'm going to go in with our second coat of Snow Queen. And I've got a fuzzy on the end. Let me just tell you what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to just brush it up into the polish, y'all, because I ain't got time to be pulling that thing out. There we go. And here is Sista Chic's Come and Trim My Christmas Tree. I've been dying to use this one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's a rainbow in a bottle. It's a rainbow flaky topper, and I am in love with it. Oh, I'm so excited. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we go. So I'm going to put that topper on all of my nails except for my accent. And I did my thumb and my ring finger the same. I'm going to be stamping on them, but those other three nails are going to get some of this Sista Chic lacquer. Got one little flaky that was sticking off the end. I had to fix it. And then now for that little pinky nail. I just love this. And one coat of this topper is just magical on the nail. I thought it worked out really, really well. Oh, got another little flaky playing with me. That stuff is so bling. I mean, that's just one coat. One easy peasy coat. So there we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick. We'll get this to dry down. Do some stamping on those accent nails. I'm going to cap that free edge. Yep. I've got people that tease me for that capping the free edge stuff. They're like, as long as you wear your polish, why should you even worry about capping it? But I do. I guess it's all about getting in routine. You know, because there was a time where I did put on polish and wear it for a week or two. Here's Beauty Big Bang plate number 11. I've got my Conad stamper and beauty scraper out. I'll be using Super Chic lacquer 40 winks to stamp with today. I know it's got ugly bottle syndrome. I shook it up a little bit though, and look at this. It's going to stamp like a dream because they all do. All of her hollows are just insane stampers. So there we go. Got that bow, that Christmas bow. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape real quick and clean up some of this excess. It's all coming up really, really well. I'm not even going to bother with doing acetone cleanup. Mush that down. Not even going to bother with it. I do got a little corner here I'm trying to get. I'm going to top this one with Pure Ice Girl on the Run. Make that hollow stamp stay put. That way it don't wash off when I wash my hands. And I am going to put another coat of top coat over the glitter bomb here. Because, you know, that's just how I like to do it sometimes. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.